Hi students, welcome you all to the first session of your SY BCom marketing, that is specialization marketing. My dear students, जो हमने FY में marketing पढ़ा है वो general marketing we have studied. But in your SY BCom, what we will be studying as a marketing subject will not be a general subject, but it will be an advanced, that is specialization subject for you all. As you have opted marketing as a specialization subject, that means now with the degree, once you passed out with the degree, you will be called as a marketing specialized students. Am I clear to it? Okay. Now, why marketing is there in your FY BCom when it is a general subject? My dear students, being a commerce graduate, हम सबको marketing क्या है ये पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Therefore, it is introduced as a general subject in your FY BCom. But when you want to do as a specialization into your subject called as marketing, then in your degree course, in your second year, and in your third year, that is sem 3, sem 4, sem 5, sem 6, you will be having your specialization with respect to marketing. Am I clear to it? Okay. Now why we have to do specialization in marketing, and what is the need for specialization of marketing, and what are the syllabus content of marketing, and what is the paper pattern of market specialization of marketing, what will be the assignments out of it, how the marking will be there, I will be discussing in this lecture. Am I clear to it? Okay. Now see the SY BCom. When we start with your SY BCom syllabus, I would like to tell you there is SEM 3 and SEM 4 for you. Clear? SEM 3 और SEM 4 है जो हमें SY BCom में पढ़ना है. For FY BCom में we have studied SEM 1 and SEM 2. SY BCom में SEM 3, SEM 4. TY में SEM 5 and SEM 6 we have to study about. Now, in SY BCom, as we are dealing with the first session of your marketing, I would like to explain you the marking system and the paper pattern and how the assignments will be there, how the internal marking will be there. Now see, in your SY BCom, your subject of marketing is called as management marketing. क्या बोला गया है इसको, इस सब्जेक्ट को मैनेजमेंट मार्केटिंग, एंड दिस सब्जेक्ट हैज़ अ कोड ऑफ 236H of your university. In university, this subject carries a code of 236H, and this has 4 credits. This subject has 4 credits, as other subjects too has 4 credits. Now how these 4 credits are divided, my students? The 4 credits are divided. 3 credits are given to theory and 1 credit is given to practical. Theory means exam of university, and practical means internal marking. Clear? Okay. Now, as this subject carries 100 marks, this subject has 100 marks. Okay. And for your first sem, this will carry 4 chapters what you have to study. 100 marks, 4 chapters. But now this 100 marks, everything is not in the hands of your university, or everything is not in the hands of college as well. You need to score for passing at least 40 marks out of this. 40 marks आपको पासिंग होना ज़रूरी है. बट माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ मेड विद द नेम ऑफ क्रेडिट पैटर्न, by the name of credit pattern, the credits what it is been allotted, that is 3 credit to the theory and 1 credit to the practical. Theory consists of 3 credits, practical consists of 1 credit. What is this all about? This all about is nothing but the internal and external marking system. Previously it was not like so, but since the paper pattern has been revised as per credit pattern, the system has changed, the marking system has changed, everything has changed, the syllabus has changed, new innovations, new technologies, new advancement has been made into your syllabus as well as into your marking systems. Now see, my dear students, as the paper consists of 100 marks in first sem, second sem, third sem, individual markings are there. As it consists of 100 marks, out of that 70 marks is for theory paper. 70 marks is for theory paper and 30 marks is for internal paper. Internal means this is in the hands of your college. That means the teacher who is teaching you a subject called as marketing. These 30 marks are allotted to her. How she have to get things done from you for 30 marks, it is up to the teacher. एंड माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस विल बी नॉट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. ये आपको टीचर, आपकी जो टीचर होंगी, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मी, व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग यू मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्समैनशिप और मार्केटिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट, दिस 30 marks are in my hands. How to give you all this 30 marks? If 30 marks are there, so I will be giving certain things to do for this 30 marks. I won't be giving this free of cost. जैसे attendance नहीं है तो I won't give this 30 marks. Then you are not properly coming to the college, you are not submitting the assignment, I won't give this free of cost. You need to work on for this 30 marks. As it is internal hand, teachers have the liberty to give you till 28 marks also. Out of 30 we can give you till 28 marks. But my dear students, when we are allotting this 28 marks, we need such type of candidate or such type of students who have done that type of an assignment or that type of an work what we have allotted to you all. Clear to it? See, 3 marks assignments will be given. In that there might be quiz, there might be test, there might be PPT, there might be group discussion, there might be research. Out of this, any 3 I allot 10 marks each into 3, that is 30 marks. And this 30 marks you are required to score by doing proper assignments, proper everything. Clear to it? If your submissions are there on time, if your everything is there on time, no one can stop you from getting 28 too. Clear? Once you have internal good scoring, automatically your external scoring goes high. Why? Because internal में जो भी teachers आपको assignments देते हैं, that is all your plus points answers what are being expected from the university examinations as well. So my dear students, when you do the assignments, please make sure you don't copy it from somewhere. You do it on your own, you research it on your own, so that as a specialized person, once you go out in the field of today's world of competition, then you can stand and earn your bread and butter very nicely and easily in a competitive way. Clear to it? Okay. Specialization does not mean you copy it from somewhere, you do it from your friend, or you mug it, or you snatch it some other student's assignment, you just drag it on the paper and you submit it to the assignment teachers. Now see dear students, अगर ऐसा करते हैं आप तो टीचर का कोई लॉस नहीं है. Nothing will, I won't lose anything from my side. But when you go as a student of marketing outside, and if you don't learn all these methodologies, all these concepts, it's your loss. There is no loss of the teacher and no loss of your parents as well. Clear to it of this 30 marks? Now with respect to this 70 marks, this 70 marks is in the hands of university examination, and this is your theory paper. And this is your theory paper. Whatever you score here, this is your theory paper, and it will be conducted in the atmosphere of university examination only. Clear to it? And this is the final paper. My dear students, here marking is given by university. No teacher or your subject teacher will be responsible for this marks. This is only you, wherein you have to go, you have to attend the paper, you have to submit it to the university, I mean your proper protocol, with the proper protocol, and then the results will be out. But when at the time of result, whatever marks you get out of this 70, suppose if you get 50 marks, and suppose if you get out of 30 20 marks, this total up is done, that is 70, and this will be your final marking of the subject called as that is marketing management. So see, isn't it very easy to score 70 marks? Because you have got 50 marks in your external exams and you have got 20 marks into your internal exam. Total it up, that is 70 marks. It is very easy to score this marking. But my dear students, if you feel like कि हम ये 30 marks है ना, इसमें पूरा अच्छी से करेंगे and will get 30 marks and will not score any marks from it, my dear students, याद रखना है इंडिविजुअल पासिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 70 का पासिंग जो इंडिविजुअल है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. 30 का इंडिविजुअल पासिंग इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू फील नो यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ एज द एग्रीगेट एज द टोटल मार्क्स इज ऑफ 100, passing percentage is only 40, but this 40 won't work here. दिस 40 में क्या है, इधर का इंडिविजुअल पासिंग होना ज़रूरी है आपको, यहाँ का इंडिविजुअल पासिंग होना ज़रूरी है आपको. when you have individual passing in theory subject as well as individual passing in practical subject, then only you are considered as a pass student for your subject or any other subject of your this thing SY FY TY BCom. if you feel no ये 70 marks है मैं इसमें से out of ले लूँगा and I won't submit any assignment to the teachers, this won't work. I am telling you this won't work. So please make sure you do your assignments particularly on time as well as you do your studies and score good marks and fetch good result out of it as an aggregate. And my dear students, credit pattern has given you an advantage, given you a scope to score more and more and more and marks, more marks in your internal examination as well as in external examination, so that you have a good aggregate for your degree examinations also. My dear students, इसके पहले जो pattern था, we were not having anything in the hands of our teachers. Whatever we earned and whatever marks we have with the help of written examinations only. But now it is a golden opportunity for you all that your 30 marks for every subject is in the hands of your teachers, in the hands of your college. So make sure that whatever assignments are given to you by your college, by your teachers, to you submit it on time and gain good marks and fetch good marks in internal examination. When you have internal examinations good marks, so your percentage will boost like anything. Cleared? Am I clear to all? So please make sure that you do everything on time and submit it on time. My dear students, this was your marketing management chapter. This was the marking system of all your chapter of all your subjects. This was not only for marketing management, but why I have said you this, and this you all know prior also in FY BCom you have studied and you have went through this paper patterns only, this marking systems only, and as you were the first part to observe this, and you might be knowing that your marks has increased drastically. That is what I just wanted to tell. This year also, if you work hard, and previous what happens, FY BCom, SY BCom and TY BCom. FY BCom marks are only to enter for SY, enough, but SY and TY marks is your degree marks. This marks will be reflected on your result sheet and the percentage will be out of these marks only. So make sure you work hard and you get good marks out of it. Clear to it? And my name is Sheikh Parveen and I will be teaching you your second as specialization for marketing 2, that is marketing management. Your code number for the subject is 236H and the credits are 4. In this marketing management, you have to study 4 chapters. For this sem, you need to study actually 4 chapters. The first chapter is of marketing, elements of marketing, that is basic marketing. Second one is objectives of marketing and consumer behavior. Third one you have is marketing planning. Fourth one you have is marketing research. Am I clear to it? Okay. I will be giving you assignments also, and please make sure that your assignment should be submitted on time, and make sure that your assignment should have at least 15 to 16 pages of it. At least 16 to 15 pages. Maximum 20 pages assignment should be there. Assignment below that won't be entertained, I'm telling you, because I have seen assignments of economic students of macroeconomics. As I teach you all macroeconomics also, I am not satisfied with your assignments there. So please make sure you make me satisfied with the assignment of your marketing management syllabus also, syllabus too. Am I clear to it? Okay. I will be giving you assignments and please make sure that you submit it on time. Okay. And herewith we will be starting with our marketing management syllabus also, with the chapters, with everything. So make sure that you go through the sessions regularly. If you have any doubt, any query, just pin me up with your doubts and queries. I will be solving there and there itself. Am I clear to all? Okay. Thank you all. See you in the next lecture of marketing management. Thank you.